Hello everyone and welcome here on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to unbox the new edit box released by the CULTBEAUTY, named the Tried and Trusted Edit Box. You know that I am a huge fan of edit boxes from CULTBEAUTY. In the past, we opened many of them together. Regarding this particular box, I like the content a lot and only because of that I bought it. The Tried and Trusted Edit Box is retailed for £40 and is worth over £184. This means that the box comes with a savings of over 75%. I just checked and unfortunately this box is no longer available because it has been completely sold out. About the box I can say that the packaging looks very nice. The box is quite heavy and that makes me happy. Now it's time to discover the products from the box. And the first product is from Olaplex. Is the original Olaplex No. 3 Hair Perfector. I don't want to waste time mentioning the size of each product, so I will insert it in the right corner of the screen to make this video go faster. Here we have a well-known pre-shampoo hair treatment that can be used once a week. It will strengthen and repair damage post-coloring, bleaching, breakages and split ends. Also, it may be used as a leave-in overnight treatment for even more incredible results. I tried this product in the past and it's good, leaves the hair smooth, silky and soft. The second product is from the brand Larry King Hair Care, My Nana's Mousse, volumizes, plumps and shines. Inspired by the lift and volume of styles from the past, My Nana's Mousse is a lightweight styler that preps hair for blow drying. A nostalgic reinvention of a humble mousse, it plumps and thickens to help hair appear fuller without feeling stiff and sticky. This is a completely new product for me. I didn't try anything for this brand. If you guys know or tried something from Larry King Hair Care, let me know. You will help me a lot. Here we have a travel size product from Sol de Janeiro, which is their well-known body cream, Brazilian Bam Bam Cream. Is a body cream with a light silky texture, is great all over the body, is absorbing quickly without feeling greasy or oily. Blissfully scented with a sweet nutty fragrance and bestowing skin with a subtle shimmer. I tried this cream in the past and it's great, the texture is lovely, it absorbs easily into the skin and the scent of the cream is sweet and strong. To be honest, it smells very nice, but a bit too strong. For me, for my taste, the scent is a bit too much. I prefer something lighter. Next comes a product that I know well, is the Dr. Dennis Gross Skincare Alpha Beta Universal Daily Peel. A patented two-step peel with 5 acids to help smooth fine lines, minimize the look of pores, and improve the appearance of uneven tone and texture. Perfect for anyone looking to repair signs of superficial skin damage, from acne scars to sun speckles. These age-reversing pads are suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. As I said, I tried this product and I really like it. It leaves the skin smooth and bright. A cool product. Product number 5 is from Glow Recipe. Is their Strawberry Smooth BHA plus AHA Salicylic Serum, clarifying and retexturizing. This skin smoothing serum blends together a 10% clarity acid complex, including 2% salicylic acid and 1% mandelic acid that work together to decongest your skin, delivering radiant results that you can see and feel. This fast-acting serum has become a fan favorite for influencers worldwide. Targeting pores clogging with a hydrating mixture of strawberry water, leaf extract, enzymes and of course hyaluronic acid, this skin savior gently exfoliates dead skin cells, for polished looking skin, rid of tiny bumps and fine lines. Here we have a product from CULTBEAUTY, Correcting Cream Veil with SPF 25. A blessing for blotchy skin, the instantly absorbable Correcting Cream Veil corrects, evens and protects, perfectly prepping your base for a day of radiant, long-lasting makeup wear. Will blur imperfections, diffuse dullness and hydrate the complexion. So, we have a makeup base. I am not very happy with this product. I would have preferred to try any other product from this brand. I personally don't really use makeup primers. I think that good hydration of the skin can easily replace a makeup primer. Well, this works in my case. If you like to use makeup primers and they work great for you, keep using them. You know best what your skin needs. And the last item from the box is a makeup product from the brand Say, and the product is Dew Blush in a shade that will not suit everyone. The shade is called Spicy. It's a creamy and dew boosting water-based gel that boosts skin-loving ingredients to beautify your skin instantly and over time. With a soft doe foot applicator, applying this weightless formula is easy. Simply dab it into cheeks and blend with your fingers whether you prefer a subtle tint or an intense, rich pop of color. I am not over the moon with the shade, it's too dark and red for me. I think it's a shade that doesn't sell very well, that's why they put it in the box. And with this product I finished the unboxing of a tried and trusted Edit box. What do you think, guys, of the content of this box? Do you like it? In my opinion, it's a very nice box. I like its contents even if not thrilled with the shade of a blush. I like that most of the products are in full size. If I'm not wrong, only the product from Dr. Dennis Gross Skincare is a sample because, again, if I'm not wrong, the travel size of this product has at least 5 treatments in the pack. But even that, I am delighted with this box, happy that I bought it. And on this note, I end today's video. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!